Nicole,
So
thanks
exciting.
so much. And to be honest, we'd love to tell you it's all sunshine and rainbows for the Memorial Tournament this year, but that is not the case.
Hey, 1 out of 4 days is looking nasty. So, yeah, look what's coming. Exactly.
Should go this way. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
It's a little rough there.
Jay's hiding
it-
It's a surprise.
Let me just slide out of the way here. Is it as intense as it looks on the radar?
You know, it's not right now, but there's a possibility as we move forward into the day, a couple of these cells could really drop some heavy downpours or some isolated thunderstorms. So that's why we issued the 10 TV weather impact alert day for just the first half of the day, because honestly, between now and about 2, 3 o'clock is when we could see some of the worst conditions come through. As we go into Saturday and Sunday, like I mentioned, it's actually looking much nicer. And then by the next week, we'll actually have 80s back in the forecast. So yeah, the alert's mainly because of that chance of heavy thunderstorms as well as rain, and because we have tens of thousands of people that'll be outdoors at the tournament this week. So we just want to make sure you know what's happening, just so you can be prepared and know that if there's a delay, this is why. And you can see there's some rain that's up to the northwest right now, moving through Jerome Township. This is just the beginning. The real big amounts of rain and storms you can see is with this little storm system. And I say that because normally we have a huge low pressure system. You've got the trailing cold front. It moves on through. This is a little bit of energy that's just spinning through our region. And as it passes by, it's going to drop, I said, those chances of showers and thunderstorms. And you can see here in the next 12 hours, those chances linger from now all the way through 2 p.m. before we start to dry out. I actually dropped the temperatures today because I really think with the clouds, we're really not going to see much of a jump up, that's for sure. So here is the hour by hour. Let me walk you through this. As we go into 9 o'clock, Columbus, Circleville, Chillicothe, starting to see those rain showers push through. That's that big blob I was just showing you. Then as we move forward into 10 o'clock, the more yellows we get, the reds, that's the more intense rain, the heavier downpours. So it does look like some of that will move into the south side of Columbus, pushing through pretty much all of the metro, which would include Dublin, where the Memorial Tournament is. That's why we are concerned. We'll have to watch and see if there are any delays, because Shockton starting to see some heavier rain, as well as Newark and Lancaster as we go into the lunch hour. But you see how behind this some drier air wraps in. Once it starts to move off to the east, that'll really take that rain with it. A lot more chances of isolated showers going into this evening. And then overnight, we'll see gradual clearing, giving way to a pretty sunny start for our Saturday. But the extended forecast, as you can see, temperatures go up from here. So today is really our chilliest day of the next 7. As we get into Saturday and Sunday, I'm just going to mention there could be a passing stray shower as we go into the afternoon, but definitely a lot more sunshine over the next couple of days. And then as we go forward and we get into the weekend in the beginning of next week, you can see those temperatures really start to go back up. And then, hey, by Tuesday and Wednesday, you're going to be finding me at the pool or something like that, because it's going to be in the upper 80s. Definitely need to stay hydrated and definitely need to find those ways to stay cool, especially if you're somebody that is a construction worker or going to be outdoors for long periods of time.